Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to untag someone on Facebook. Let's start the video. First open Facebook and locate the post or photo where you have tagged someone. You can find it on your profile or in your activity log. Find the post and now click on the three dots. From the menu, select Edit Post. Now click on the person's name. It usually showed up at the top next to your name. Click on the name and from the list, uncheck the box next to the person you want to untag. Go back and confirm your changes by clicking Save. Now there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.